Hello our 6th grade students in أطفال الرمثة النموذجي school. Please open your student book at page 10, exercise 5. Read and answer. Look at the question here. What can you see at the castle? What can you see at the castle? We will answer the question during reading the lesson. Look at the picture here. What can you see? I can see Karak Castle. Karak Castle is made of stone. What can you see else? I can see streets, some of houses, and we have rocks. And the Karak Castle is on the top of a hill. Okay, look at the hill here. We have the hill. Now let's read the test in order to answer question 5. Karak Castle is in the Karak Castle is in the city of Karak, 140 kilometers south of Amman. The castle is more than 875 years old. It's at the top of a hill. At the top of a hill. It's 900 meters high. There are marvelous views of the Dead Sea from here. Karak Castle is very big. It's 220 meters wide. Inside the castle, there are many rooms and long tunnels. They are dark. Some of the castle is underground. There is a museum in the castle. It has some interesting information about the castle's history. Now, let's look at the paragraph number 1. Look at paragraph number 1 here. Okay. Paragraph number 1. Where is Karak Castle? Where is Karak Castle? Karak Castle is in the city of Karak. It's south of Amman. South of Amman, okay? It's south of Amman, and Karak Castle is in the city of, okay? Karak Castle, it's in the city of Karak. Okay? Now, the second question, how far Karak Castle from Amman? 100 kilometers south of Amman, okay? 100 kilometers south of Amman. How old is the castle? How old is Karak Castle? Is more than 875 years old. Now let's move to paragraph number 2. Paragraph number 2, Karak Castle is very big. How wide is Karak Castle? How wide is Karak Castle? It's 220 meters wide, okay? So it's 220 meters wide. What can you see inside the castle? What can you see inside the castle? There are many rooms. There are many rooms and tunnels. Okay, inside the castle there are many rooms and tunnel. Why do you think that the tunnels are dark? Why? Because some of the castle, some of the castle, okay, underground, okay, underground again, because some of the castle underground. Now let's have a look at paragraph number 3. In paragraph number 3, there is a museum in the castle. What can you see in the museum? What can you find in the museum? It has some interesting, okay, information about the castle's history. تاريخ القلعة. إذن what can you find in the museum? You can find some interesting information, okay, about what? About the castle's history. Now let's move to question number 5. What can you see at the castle? I can see many rooms and long tunnels, okay? So what can you see? I can see many rooms and long tunnel, okay? This is the answer here. Thank you for watching and see you soon, inshallah.